Damn, it's freezing cold. Are you gonna come and warm me up? I would really love to cuddle with you right now. I just don't know what it is, but your lips drive me insane. They're so juicy and sexy. And damn, that smile drives me crazy. And those eyes, the way you look at me, I can tell you're all mine. I just wish I was right next to you in your arms. Today will be a perfect day. But what I want you to do is just think about me. Think about me talking to you in your ear, telling you how badly I miss you and need you and wish you was right here with me.